Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python List Element Deletion Tutorial. Introduction. In Python, lists are versatile data structures that allow you to store and manipulate sequences of elements. One common operation when working with lists is deleting elements. This tutorial will guide you through various methods to delete elements from a Python list with code examples. Using the del statement. The del statement is a straightforward way to remove an element from a list by specifying its index. Note, be cautious when using del since it modifies the list in place and can lead to unexpected results if not used carefully. Using the remove method. The remove method deletes the first occurrence of a specified value. Note, if the specified value is not found, a value error will be raised. Using list comprehension. List comprehension is a concise way to create a new list by filtering out elements based on a condition. Using slicing. You can use slicing to create a new list without the element you want to delete. Note, slicing doesn't modify the original list, it creates a new list with the specified elements. Conclusion. Deleting elements from a Python list can be achieved using various methods. Choose the method that best fits your specific use case and requirements. Always be mindful of the impact each method has on your original list and choose accordingly. ChatGPT. In Python, lists are versatile data structures that allow you to store and manipulate collections of items. Sometimes, you may need to delete elements from a list based on certain conditions or by specifying the index of the element you want to remove. This tutorial will guide you through various methods for deleting elements from a Python list, providing code examples for each technique. To delete an element from a list by its index, you can use the del statement. Here's an example. Output. If you know the value you want to remove and don't necessarily care about the index, you can use the remove method. Output. You can delete a range of elements using slicing and the del statement. Output. To remove all occurrences of a specific value from the list, you can use a list comprehension. Output. If you want to remove all elements from a list and make it empty, you can use the clear method. Output. Python provides several ways to delete elements from a list, allowing you to choose the method that best suits your requirements. Whether you want to delete by index, value, range, or clear the entire list, these techniques will help you manage your lists efficiently. ChatGPT. In Python, lists are versatile data structures that allow you to store and manipulate collections of items. Deleting elements from a list is a common operation, and Python provides several ways to accomplish this task. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to delete elements from a list with code examples. The del statement is a simple and direct way to delete elements from a list by specifying the index of the element to be removed. Output. The pop method removes and returns the element at the specified index. If no index is provided, it removes and returns the last element by default. Output. The remove method removes the first occurrence of a specified value. It does not require specifying an index. Output. List comprehension can be used to create a new list that excludes the elements you want to delete. Output. Choose the method that best fits your specific use case. Each method has its advantages, and the choice may depend on factors such as the index of the element you want to delete or whether you want to create a new list or modify the existing one. ChatGPT.